Hi, thanks for checking out one of our videos here. Hopefully this is going to be of some benefit for you. This is going to be a how-to repair video or how to test video on a Speedrite 12000i or a Stafix X12i. They're one and the same. Same parts on the inside, just a different colored case and different brand name, but the same company owns them. So there's your information right there. So if you want to send one here, I'd be happy to take a look at it for you. Alright, note doesn't, it just says, please repair if possible. So and the customer's name and address. So, not much to go off of besides that. So, this is a dual powered unit, and they did send along their AC adapter. Ooh, well, there's part of the problem right there. AC adapter's all blown up. I didn't even realize that. Well, let's, unplug that, cut that off. Don't think I got another one of those in stock, but what I can do is this is a 12-volt unit internally. Looks like the case is broken too as well, so I need a new. I don't think I've got a spare bat case for these. I might actually. Let's look. Actually, I might have this one. Yeah, same thing. It's just green. It's a green Stafix, but it'll work. All right. So let's. First thing we'll do is, I imagine something wrong on the inside, but let's let's strip this back a little bit. This is a 12-volt unit on the inside. So let's turn it on there and apply power to it. I don't know which one's positive, negative. If I don't do it right, it won't work right. So I think there's a ribbed wire and a smooth wire. I think the ribbed one is red. I think the smooth wire is black or negative. Maybe I was wrong. Let's flip it around and try it again. No, it didn't do nothing. Plug that cord. I'm going to keep that cord because I can just make a new cable for them. I take the screws out of this thing. And then there's a little hidey hole screw right here behind that black little plunger. Get rid of that. Close that cover off. How old is this unit? 2010, so 11 years old. Oh yeah. Alright, see all this dark stuff here, all this dark spots in the board and this and that. This board's no good. Let's unplug the transformer from all of its little connection spots. And then, oh, come on. Transformer, come on, get off there. Oh, there we go. Let's transformer. Alright, now we'll remove that. Lightning rod. Let's take this capacitor loose. We'll test those in just a second. Got to remove the LCD here in a second, but let's test these capacitors first. These are a 30, 29.8, 29.8, so both capacitors are good. Alright, so we'll plug this wire there. Pull the LCD out. Come on. LCD, it looks okay so far. These gotta be kind of careful with all these spots there. You don't want to touch nothing where you shouldn't touch and mess it up. So let's take the knobs off here because we got to pull these bolts out. So the board's in this gel type epoxy, this stuff there, so you can't pull the boards out and really do much to them. Alright, so let's oh gosh, I'm tired. Oh man, been a long few days. There's a new module. A new module looks like. Whole new front case and everything. Alright, so we'll put the LCD in a second. We'll put this in first, so let's see. Go. I'm going to put the knobs back on. Let's do the LCD first. Come on. Okay. Transfer plugged in here next. We'll do it. Alright, plug these wires back onto the little tabs where they go. It's kind of loose. Alright, now I'll put capacitors on. Doesn't matter which one goes where. I mean, polarity wise, the wire don't matter. Alright, let's put the back cover back on. I've got a spare back cover off of a 18,000i or whatever, Stafix X18i. Same, ow, god dang it. Mosquito bite me in here, biting on me. So we'll put that in its place. Put this on first. Now we'll put this back cover back on. put the plug in there like that. Flip it around. So let's try this again. I think the red wire is positive. The smooth wire is negative. And we got it backwards. Let's try it again. There it goes. Now it's backwards. There it goes. 9,000 volts. Clicking right along. About 9,000 volts on that one as well, on the tester, so it seems to be working fine. So I'll put the screws back in. I got to make them up a cord or buy one, get one for them. But I might be able to make them one depending on what I've got on hand. So hopefully, if you got one of these units, you know, if you'd like to send it in for us to take a look at, we'll be happy to give it a once over. We get free quotes. Charge anything up front to take a look at it. Find all those freaking screws, where the hell they went. No, they're in the old case. So we're going to put this back together. I think there's a screw in there. Oh. Just had a catch. Alright, well this is raring to go. Besides that cord, we'll make up another cable for them. We'll be good to go. So hopefully you like this kind of stuff, and you know, if you got a question, welcome to ask us. You want to send one in to us, welcome to send one in to us. Any Speedrite model, we'll take a look at for you. Free quotes and estimates. Year-and-a-half warranty on the repairs that we do. So this unit now has a year-and-a-half warranty on the repairs. And we work on all brands and ages, doesn't matter what it is, we'll work on it. And until next time, see you later.